Welcome to the module's final lessons. During the next two lessons, we shall complete the pattern with the previously learned methods. I would like you to be very attentive with the borders. Thus, I wish to draw an additional line on top of the previous central line in approximately 2 holes distance from the center. 2 holes. I've drawn my borders. And today we will embroider one triangle with the snag method. Apply the sequences on a newly drawn line. Make a short security stitch and then another little stitch to the right. Then 2 or 3 stitches to the left according to the border. Then continue binding the sequences, keeping 2-3 holes distance between the lines. Secure your sequences with the short and loose stitches whenever you meet the border of the triangle. Whenever I turn, I'm trying to avoid the gaps and fill it in with the sequences. Thus, the figure shall look more accurate. At the moment when you understand the harmony of the angles of this figure and fill the borders, you will certainly succeed in any forms or patterns. Thus, I would like to draw your attention about hiding any visible gaps with additional sequences. complete the triangle's peak in the same manner. Keep in mind that I don't want you to follow this video at every stitch. However, I would like you to understand the complexity of the figure and apply the stitches as the circumstances dictates. Thus, I place my last sequences on the top and secure it with a lock. Kindly photograph your embroidery from the both sides and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have. Now you may notice that the embroidered line flows like a snake on the back side of the frame, and same on the front side.